Shouldn't there be more to life than this? A place where life is simpler, yet richer, fuller, yet uncomplicated. A place like Elysium. In Greek mythology, it was heaven, the abode of the blessed, a place or condition of unparalleled happiness, a state of bliss and delight that would last for all eternity. Now that same spirit of heavenly delight comes alive in the shadow of western North Carolina's Blue Ridge Mountains, in a gated community that could only be called Elysian Forest, where heaven meets earth. Just minutes from the region's major traffic corridor, yet worlds away from anything you've ever experienced, lies Elysian Forest, the mountain getaway that takes your breath away. Here, ensconced in the natural embrace of the Blue Ridge Mountains, bordered by the pristine beauty of the Pisgah National Forest, and encircled by a leisurely trail ideal for hiking, mountain biking, or horseback riding, spacious lots of 10 acres or more await you, ready to become as cultivated or as untamed as those who possess them. All that's missing is someone like you, with the desire to embrace the extraordinary, where you can enjoy life with your head in the clouds. Please contact us for more details about life at Elysian Forest and bring heaven and earth together at long last.